Whether you've misplaced a piece or had a part of a well-used tool finally wear all the way out, getting replacement parts for your Park Tool bicycle tools has never been easier with our online replacement parts catalog. There are a couple different ways to find the parts you need, but it all starts at parktool.com.
If you know the name of the tool you need a part for, you can look it up using the search function. And then, on the Tools page, scroll down to the Parts and Accessories tab under Product Details, and click on the Replacement Parts box. This will bring you to an exploded diagram of your tool. From here, simply match the diagram's part number with the part from the list below. If it's available, select the quantity you need and add it to your cart. You can also find the replacement parts catalog in the Support section of the Park Tool website. Click on Replacement Parts or type in parktool.com/parts and you'll be taken to the replacement parts landing page. Here you can search by product name or search by category and gradually narrow down the tool you're looking for. And if you're a dealer, you can register a new account or sign into an existing one.
However you get there, the online replacement parts catalog at parktool.com is the fastest and easiest way to get your tools back in service.